But finally, it's really done. So alisin na yung the sirens in there, and of course the swan. And it was like finally natapos din siya almost like a 15 minutes. Oh my god, finally my tower cat, the project is really done. So it's all we do. I'm gonna explore it a little bit outside. Oh my god, finally. And I feel really better. And I feel like it's strong. But dahil I don't know pahinga natin today is Tuesday. It's a very important to me that we can do exercise and explore outside. And magluluto din tayo at gagawa ng another content. Yes, and of course right now, finally, and I feel better. So right in here, so some of this glutathione, and of course it's release stress, and of course like marami din siyang benefits inside our body. Hindi lang siya so kung that I wish to teach everyone who's on besides me now today's first special day. And of course, pag bago ka lang sa channel ko, you can subscribe and comment down below. Yes, I'm myself from here in Korea, and of course, ohayo gozaimasu to arigato konbanwa. I should put this cut right in there in Japan, and I have Asabiyong Vande. Also, of course, in Turkey, bonjour, and merci beaucoup in Paris, France, and of course, buenos dias, buenas noches, buenas tardes, te quiero mucho, and of course, muchos gracias in Spain, in Barcelona. Tara na mga Tower Cats, and of course today dahil araw ng day off natin is magre-recharge tayo. And of course doon tayo sa glutathione trip. Yes, I'm gonna go to my favorite clinic para mag-recharge. Glutathione is in here is I like the benefits because we're getting old. Yes, age is only just a number. Siyempre kailangan natin na it's not really that antioxidant. Hindi ko naman hinahabol yung antioxidant niya. Yung benefits ng kanyang electrolytes inside our body because like we work hard, and of course during that we're getting older, we need that. So just all we do, we're gonna go in there. Yes, mga Jabber Cat, kasi actually when meron ako nakalikom ako ng konting budget, but we need to invest to ourselves para tayo ay lumakas. Kasi I like it because like inuugasan yung internal organs natin. So, and of course, Korea is #1 in Android, and of course, kanilang mga beauty product, and of course, andito rin kanilang mga K-pop. Mahilig ka ba sa K-pop? Andito lahat ng K-pop. Sa Pilipinas, kung merong Pinoy pop, right in here, tinatawag nilang K-pop because like Korea, Philippines is Filipino K-pop. Ganun din yun. It's the same, di ba? But at least dito sa aking vlog, ikaw ang BTS, ikaw ang K-pop, ikaw ang ARMY. Basta subscribe, leave a comment down below. And of course, right now the water is so good, and it was really cool at hindi masyadong warm. And of course, in the late at night, especially like after my work, early in the morning is more cold. Yes, it's a very peaceful, like left to the right, and of course that is their way to heaven. Kaya ganda ng umaga, and of course maganda ka pa sa umaga. So ito na, dito lang actually when I'm going to the clinic, it's almost like close right in here inside Songtan Entertainment District. Yes, maraming alibangbang dito. Alimango sa dagat, nangangagat. But it's alright, it's really good things. And of course, sometimes when we feel like tired in our body, so yun ang ginagawa ko. Wala tayong sekreto. And I'm always talking to you about all the secrets. Stop by muna ako right in here. My favorite like a vending machine. Kailangan kita ako ng vending machine because I choose the coffee, cream, and sugar. So we can afford to buy like a coffee shop. But this one is really good. It's more cheap and more convenient, but it is strong. So after this one, we're gonna go in there. Sa ating pagiging clean. So right in here, it's good because I love coffee. Sino ba naman hindi may gusto sa coffee? Yes, coffee is, I don't know hindi siya benefits for antioxidant. Okay, but it's alright. It's really good. Center right in here in Korea. It's marami authentic naman Korean original restaurant and ang mga authentic food. So this all do, we gonna keep and walk na tayo para sa clinic. So this all do, we gonna go in there. Ang tapang, but it's really good. So let's go. So syempre, ipopromote na natin siya, but libre lang. But it's alright. This is my favorite clinic on sa trip. Meron silang weight loss and escape clinic. So right in here. So we're gonna go on up. Wow, it's almost like a month. Hindi ako nakapunta rito because like wala tayong pera. Kailangan natin muna magtrabaho. And of course, if we earn money, syempre kailangan natin mag-invest sa ating there's a person like inside. But pasok tayo. So wait muna natin ang doctor bago sa ating trip. Because yun nga, this one is my favorite clinic. Malapit na. It's not really that expensive, but actually I pay only like a 50. So wait natin si doctor. Meron pa siyang inoperahan. Actually, this one, I'm not too scared, but it's really good. The needles is really good. when you put the inside the needles, it's not really pain. Yeah. Alright, but in here, tumabas na yung dugo ba? Let's look at the procedure like, maybe like, I think this one is 15 minutes. So, ito na. So, that's it, our guy. This one is really good. So, we waiting. The procedure, it takes like 15 minutes. Kasi napaganda na kasi ng benefits this one. Wala lang yung like, this one, the extras, like electrolytes. Yun yung hinahabol ko kasi like sa ating internal body. So, ilalaga nila yung glutathione. Like that. Is it that stuff? It's really good sa ating katawan. Pag may pera lang ako, pag wala, pasensya. We need to work hard. And then they gonna put that one. Diba? It's really good. It's good a lot of benefits sa ating body. Hindi lang siya like antioxidant because it help a lot sa ating internal organ. So whatever comes like this one, they put and the procedure is takes like almost like 15 minutes. This one is almost like a 500cc lecture, but it's really good. I like it. Yeah. Marami siyang benefits inside our body. Kaya getting old, so we need to benefits. Yung benefits niya is I like it, and of course when we do this. It's our internal organs and of course sa ating blood circulation, especially sa ating kidney, liver, and of course sa ating like internal organs. Lalo na pag umiinom ka, hindi lang siya pampapunta. So, the one, hindi lang siya, it helps for anti-aging. Lalo sa mga nagkakaedad at pagod na nakakamukha ko. So, this all to begin to wait ang kanilang result at kwentuhan ba tayo? Because like in Korea, like the most famous plastic surgeon and of course ang kanilang mga glutathione drink, ang kanilang mga beauty product, and of course Android and kanilang manufacturer. So, and andito rin mga K-pop. You're in love with your Coco, so I'm in love with you. And may gibig siya sa inyo pong lahat. And of course, and you can ask me side like the beauty product and about the surgery right in here. You just leave a comment down below. And of course, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kwentuhan pa rin tayo maya-maya. Now almost like 10 minutes and I feel like really sleepy, but it's really good and I feel like comfortable and it's really good. Parang nare-relax ako. But look at that, it's almost like because like I think that's almost like 500cc pa siya. So I need to wait a little bit. And for the good things is yung kanila like the Korean, the needles when you put inside are pain, it's not really pain. So I thought, yung kape ako. Bala mo na, I love coffee. So, panayin tayo. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Oh my god, mga driver guys, right now it's almost like so many, I think 3 minutes more before we done it after this. Dahil araw na pahinga na natin today, we're gonna go to the gym para mag-recharge and we're back home. We need to do like live streaming at kailangan natin maghanap buhay. We need to work hard to make money. And when we can make money, we can send money back home. And of course, we can do sa ating ourselves. We can buy food, vitamins, and just like this. So I'm gonna explore you outside, and I'm gonna wait. This is maybe like I think like 2 minutes more. Medyo inatok na yung really, it's really good. But finally, it's really done. So alisin na yun. The sirens in there, and of course the swan. And it was like finally natapos din siya almost like a 15 minutes. Oh my god, finally photography project is really done. So it's only to wait. I'm gonna explore it a little bit outside. Oh my god, finally. And I feel really better. And I feel like it's strong. But dahil I don't know pahinga natin today is Tuesday. It's a very important to me that we can do exercise and explore outside. And magluluto din tayo at gagawa ng another content. Yes, and of course right now, finally, and I feel better. So, right in here, so how to do it. So, gusto magluto tayo. And of course, it's release stress. And of course, like, marami din siyang benefits inside our body. Hindi lang siya antioxidant. And of course, we can do first and second and third ating internal organs. And of course, para hindi din tayo na-dehydrate because the electrolytes. And of course, mga sabayan sa Q&A share kunin dyan every time to share my story. And of course, bonjour and merci right in there. Paris France and make a big shout out right in there in Europe. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, we always inspired, never expired. And you can follow my Maison Malay Choi on Facebook page, and Lawrence my Facebook page, and Club Velvet are okay on Instagram, and Lawrence on my page on Instagram. Bye bye.